As you can see behind me, I got the Timberwolf Autoload. It's hooked up to my pickup. We're gonna go on an adventure. Anyone care to guess what I might be going to do today? Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're gonna go play with the Autoload from Timberwolf. It's got the Palms loader on it. It's got the GX700 electric start. Full 360-degree rotation on the bucket. This one has the extended boom on it. This does have an option to have the dump box attached to it as well. I'll go through all that a little bit later on. You got torsion axles, you got spring ride axles on it. You got the 8,000 pound axles. You got stake pockets for whether you want to put 2-inch lumber or the steel tubing in it. This is going to be available in a dump option, which would add $3,500 to the cost. The cost of this unit here, the way it sits with the 4.71 Palms loader on it, is going to be $39,995. Full joystick control. You got 2 push buttons here for your outriggers on each side. Joysticks left and right. The one set of buttons runs your open and close on your bucket. The other one runs your extend boom. Setup very similar to the John Deere forwarders. The older ones at least. Like I said, the GX700 Honda engine with electric start. The cool part about this is you got the fuel tank there. This beam right here that the trailer hitch is attached to is your hydraulic tank, all the way underneath there. Fully equipped with hydraulic brakes, the electric breakaway, all the lights, all LED lights on here. Comes with 4 stakes. You can always order more as an option. Greasable bearing buddies. Load range E tires. They're all 16-inch tires. Check out the thickness of the deck. This unit's got 57, 58 hours on it right now. You can't even tell that we've been moving some big wood with it. Like I said, LED lights, DOT tape all the way around it. It's a sharp looking trailer. I believe it's got 21 feet of reach, 3,000 right here next to the trailer, 1,500 fully extended as a lifting capacity. It is quick, it is fast. You'll see that in a later video where you can see we got her hooked up to the truck. You see here we got the Timberwolf Autoload with the Palms 4.71 loader on it. We're gonna go down the road and get some wood. Come along for the ride, should be fun. Well, there's the pile of logs. More there, more there. Them are some dandies there. Well guys, I screwed up. You see the auto load's empty. Last you saw it came off the job, but I'm not gonna reload all this on there. We laid it out. There's about 1.5 cords of wood sitting here, maybe a touch more than that. Some of this is 20 feet long, so when you get a chance, go check out the Timberwolf Autoload at any one of the shows. It is not on their website yet. Handled great coming home. I was doing 55, 60 miles an hour with that pile of wood on there and no issues. So with that, appreciate you, each and every one of you watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one, and maybe you'll get some bonus footage tomorrow of our next load. You saw we had a handful of loads we got to get out of there. So thanks for watching, guys.